The aviation industry witnessed a momentous occasion on October 30, 2024. Airbus delivered its first A321XLR. This revolutionary aircraft promised to redefine long-haul travel. It was met with great anticipation. The A321XLR is the latest addition to the Airbus A320neo family. It boasts cutting-edge technology. This aircraft is designed for efficiency and passenger comfort. It is poised to become a game-changer. The launch event was a spectacle. Airline executives, industry experts, and aviation enthusiasts gathered. They witnessed the dawn of a new era. The A321XLR embodies innovation and progress. It signals exciting possibilities for the future of air travel. The A321XLR stands out with its remarkable range. It can fly up to 4,700 nautical miles non-stop. This capability opens up a world of new route possibilities. Airlines now have the flexibility to connect distant cities. These routes were previously inaccessible with smaller aircraft. Fuel efficiency is another key advantage. The A321XLR consumes 30% less fuel per seat than previous generation aircraft. This efficiency translates into significant cost savings for airlines. It also reduces the environmental impact. The A321XLR's impressive range is achieved through innovative design. It has a redesigned fuel system. This system incorporates a permanent rear center tank. This allows for greater fuel storage capacity. The aircraft also benefits from aerodynamic improvements. These enhancements reduce drag and improve fuel burn. Airbus understands that passenger comfort is paramount. The A321XLR incorporates features for an enjoyable flying experience. The cabin is designed to reduce noise and vibration. This ensures a more peaceful journey for passengers. The aircraft offers various seating configurations. Airlines can customize the layout to meet their specific needs. Passengers can enjoy a comfortable and spacious journey. The A321XLR accommodates up to 244 passengers in a typical layout. However, airlines have the flexibility to adjust this based on their requirements. Airlines are installing lie-flat seats in business class. Some airlines are even introducing a premium economy section. This provides passengers with more choices. Travelers can now select the travel class that best suits their needs and budget. The honor of receiving the first A321XLR went to Iberia. The Spanish flag carrier took delivery of the aircraft at a ceremony in Hamburg, Germany. This marked a significant milestone for both Airbus and Iberia. Iberia wasted no time in putting its new aircraft into service. The A321XLR made its inaugural commercial flight from Madrid to Boston on November 12, 2024. This route was strategically chosen to showcase the aircraft's capabilities. It demonstrated that it could comfortably handle transatlantic flights. The A321XLR's arrival has been met with enthusiasm from Iberia's pilots and crew. They are impressed by its performance, efficiency, and the advanced technology it offers. Passengers have also praised the aircraft's comfort and amenities. This positive feedback reinforces the A321XLR's status as a game-changer in the industry. Section 5. Reshaping the aviation landscape. The A321XLR is poised to revolutionize the aviation industry. Its extended range and fuel efficiency offer airlines unparalleled flexibility. They can now open new long-haul routes that were previously not economically viable. Airlines around the world are eager to add the A321XLR to their fleets. Airbus has received over 500 firm orders for the aircraft. This strong demand is a testament to the A321XLR's potential. It is set to become a mainstay in the skies. The A321XLR is particularly well-suited for transatlantic routes. It can connect secondary cities that lack the passenger volume to justify larger wide-body aircraft. This opens up a wealth of new travel options for both leisure and business travelers. Section 6. Challenges on the runway. The development and early operation of the A321XLR have not been without challenges. Airbus faced some setbacks during the certification process. These setbacks led to a slight reduction in the aircraft's range. Safety modifications were required to address concerns raised by regulators. These modifications included adjustments to the fuel system and the aircraft's center of gravity. While these changes were necessary, they did result in a slight decrease in the A321XLR's maximum range. Despite these challenges, Airbus remains confident in the A321XLR's capabilities. The company is working closely with airlines to ensure a smooth entry into service. The A321XLR has already proven its worth on numerous routes. It continues to exceed expectations in terms of performance and efficiency. Section 7. The future of long-haul travel. The A321XLR is set to have a profound impact on the future of long-haul travel. It offers a compelling alternative to wide-body aircraft, especially on routes with lower passenger demand. Airlines can now operate long-haul flights more efficiently. They no longer need to rely solely on larger, less fuel-efficient aircraft. This translates into lower fares for passengers and increased competition in the long-haul market. The A321XLR also opens up opportunities for new business models. Airlines can now consider point-to-point routes that bypass major hubs. This provides travelers with more convenient and time-saving travel options. Section 8. A lasting legacy. The Airbus A321XLR is more than just a new aircraft. It represents a significant leap forward in aviation technology. It is a testament to the ingenuity and innovation of the Airbus team. The A321XLR is a game-changer that will shape the future of air travel. Its legacy will be felt for decades to come. It will continue to connect people and cultures across continents. The A321XLR's impact extends beyond the aviation industry. It has created jobs and stimulated economic growth. It has also inspired a new generation of engineers and aviation enthusiasts. Section 9. Conclusion. The A321XLR's impact. The Airbus A321XLR has arrived, and it is here to stay. This revolutionary aircraft is transforming the aviation industry. It offers unprecedented range, fuel efficiency, and passenger comfort. The A321XLR has opened up new route possibilities for airlines connecting distant cities with ease. Its impact on long-haul travel is undeniable. It provides a compelling alternative to wide-body aircraft and offers passengers more choices and convenience. While there have been challenges along the way, Airbus has overcome them. The A321XLR is now soaring through the skies, exceeding expectations and fulfilling its promise as a game-changer in aviation. The A321XLR is not just an aircraft. It is a symbol of progress, innovation, and the boundless possibilities of air travel. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on aviation innovations.